All right, so welcome to the second quick video on how to connect your first exchange to the new beta version of Yanda. So in the previous video, which is also linked at the bottom, we went over how to create an account, and I left you there. And now we're going to create our first API connection, and so as we can start automating our trading on the platform. So as you can see, once you get to this stage, you need to insert an API key and an API secret key to connect. All right, now what we're going to do is I've already got a Binance exchange. If you haven't already got a Binance exchange, you're going to have to go over to Binance.com and create an exchange there. Create an account, over there. And I've already logged in. Now, when we're on here, what we're going to do is we are going to go onto this little circle with the person in the middle, and we're going to go down to API management. Okay, so now here you can see that you're going to give this API key a label. Now, we're going to call this Yanda test API delete once. Right, and we're just going to create that one there. Now what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to put in a security verification by phone and by email on the credentials that you signed up with. And I'm going to say send code to my mobile. And I'm also going to send the code to my email address. And these are just one-time codes. So every time you want to create a new API key, you're going to have to go through the same process. So that's the key for that. Then Binance, email, 901. And we're going to submit. Now, yep, there we go. So API key created. I'll make myself a lot smaller. And you can see here API list, Yanda test API delete once demoed. You can scan to get the address, but you've got the API key and the secret key here. So I'm literally now just going to hit copy. You can see copy to clipboard, and I'm going to go back over to Yanda, and I'm going to copy and paste that into each section. Get the key, go in there, paste, and then you just hit the connect now button. And API connection. Congratulations, your API keys are updated. Sweet. So continue on that one. Okay, and that has connected those exchanges, or that exchange up. You can see just on the background here, you can see what I'm holding. So I got a bit of TNB, Yo-Yo, OMG, Status, Litecoin, and Bitcoin in the background there. And you can see just off to the left of this pop-up that my account balance in my trading exchange is actually showing up there. So this pop-up, I'll just go over this quickly, but I'm going to just create a new video. So this one again will be linked to at the bottom of this video in the description. And we're going to be talking about the different membership types and how the Yanda credit works for paying your automation fees using the service. So this is just congrats, Chris Yanda, you've connected your first exchange. You've now got to choose your trading plan to start trading automatically. All right, so you can refer to our fee structure here, which goes back to the website, or you can just go straight in, buy a membership and top up. But click the next video, which is in the description, and I'll tell you all about that in that video.